Good evening, all of you, once again. Uh, I welcome you, all of you, on the fifth day of our 7 days online workshop on multivariate data analysis using SPSS. As you all know, Dr. Professor DHAVAL MAHETA sir is back again today, and he will deliver the session on conjoint analysis today. I welcome you once again, sir. Professor DHAVAL sir, I welcome you once again. And
Thank you.
before starting the session, I would like to request all the participants, if they have any query regarding previous sessions, they can ask
Mm.
to Dhaval sir. Yes, Dhaval
Any,
sir. Yes.
yeah, any query is there? Anybody? Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Any query is there? Do you want to share something with us?
Yes, any participant wants to share something, anything else, and I have shared you two data files also, and I am sharing one more data file in the coming 10 minutes, which Dhaval sir has already shared with me. Yes, Dhaval sir, I think no questions.
Okay, fine. So then we will start with. Allow me to share the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a minute. Yes, sir. Now you can share, sir.
Okay. Okay. Am I audible? Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
So today's topic we are going to discuss about the conjoint analysis. Now, whenever you in your PhD or in any of your research work, whichever technique you are going to use, make it sure that you have framed your questionnaire according to that technique, because it is not like that you have made the questionnaire and now I apply the conjoint analysis. No, it's not possible on that way, because if your intention is to carry out the exploratory factor analysis as discussed by Dr. Hitesh Parmar, or your intention is to carry out the confirmatory factor analysis, which we are going to study in the subsequent sessions, then your questionnaire is completely different. Similarly, if you are going to do conjoint analysis, things are going to differ different. If you are going to do cluster analysis in your thesis, then your questionnaire, the way the questions are asked or way the questions are organized in your instrument are completely different. So make it sure that you go that way. Now, what's different in this? Let's try to understand and why we are using the conjoint analysis. So the conjoint analysis is a market research tool for developing an effective product design. Using conjoint analysis, the researcher can answer the simple questions: what product attributes are important or unimportant? Let me give you a very simple question, a very simple example to this. That if somebody is buying a car, then there are many factors or many attributes which a person assigns while buying a car. Now, it's not necessary that the weightage of each and every factor is similar. For example, if I'm buying a car, then I'll be giving some weight to the brand, some weight to the color, some weight to the engine. So, and it may happen that I don't give any weights to some features. Okay, so what are the factors or what are the attributes on which the customer decides that should I buy this car or should I not buy this car? It's not a logistic regression. It is talking about that how much weightage a customer is giving to a particular attribute in in a product. What level of product attributes are the most or least desirable in the consumer's mind? What is the market shares of the preference for leading competitors' products versus our existing or proposed product? I'll give you examples. Many examples I will give you so that you can understand what is this conjoint analysis. The virtue of conjoint analysis is that it asks the respondent to make choices. Now, in this case, you have to make choices in the sense that you will make placards. The placards are made. and they are organized in some fashions, and you have to pick up this placards and arrange in some order. Okay, let's see how we are doing it. For example, suppose that you want to book an airline flight. Please see the example, then you will be able to understand. Okay, please see the example. For example, suppose that you want to book an airline's flight. You have the choice of sitting in a cramped seat or a spacious seat. So now there are two choices which have germinated. One is a cramped seat or a spacious seat. If this were the only consideration, your choice would be clear. You would probably prefer a spacious seat. Okay, it was very clear. Or suppose you have a choice of ticket prices, that $225 or $800. On price alone, taking nothing else into consideration, the lower price would be preferable. Okay. Finally, suppose you can take either a direct flight which takes 2 hours or a flight with one layover which takes 5 hours. Most people would choose the direct flight. Okay. Now, how many combinations we have made from this? What are the alternatives available? Now, see the cramped seat, the cramped space, the price, the duration. Again, the cramp. So, this many combinations are possible. Okay, and now in this, if I say that please make your choices. So given the above alternatives, product 4 is the probably the least preferred. Product 4, see the cramped seat, you are paying more, and the long journey. So nobody will like the product 4, while product 5 is the most preferred. Product 5, spacious, less price, duration is less. Naturally, the preferences of respondents for the other product offerings are determined by this way. So placards are made in this combination for the product, and it is something that you can all go for a new product or existing product to understand that what is going in the customer's mind while selecting a product. Conjoint analysis uses a full profile approach where respondents rank, order, or score a set of profiles or cards according to the preference. Each profile describes a complete product or a service. Now, it can be a full design or a half design, which we will discuss. That what do I mean by full design? What do I mean by half design? So it is known as a full profile, full concept, or a factorial design or a fractional factorial design, which we are discussing. So here we are talking about the orthogonal way. Orthogonal way means we will be selecting the design which is having the main effects. Okay, main effects. We are not at all talking about the interaction effects. Okay, I'll discuss this thing later on. Please keep this pending. Somebody please write down on one notepad that, sir, what was orthogonal way? Because when you will see the design, then only you will be able to understand that what is the design in the case of conjoint analysis and what is the orthogonal way. So please, anybody write down on one thing, and please make it sure that you make me remind when a design is when we don't do the analysis, but when we complete the making of design. Please make me remember. Okay, so the orthogonal way. So here we are talking about the main effects. We are not talking about the interaction effects. So what should be the sample size in this case? The size of the sample size in conjoint studies varies greatly. Somebody says that in a commercial conjoint studies, it ranges from 100 to 1000 with 300 to 550. So you cannot have a sample size less than 100. So you never talk about a sample size in any survey. You should not go below 100 because it is not advisable to carry out the study if the sample size is less than 100, because there are more chances of biasness if the sample size is less than 100. How to record the preference? The conjoint procedure allows for three methods of data recording. Now you make the placards. Okay, the placards are being made. In the first method, subjects are asked to assign a preference. You assign the preference that you make the placards. For example, that in this case, there are 8 products which can be offered to a customer. So the first way is that you rank the product, you keep the placards. Placard means It's something like you are writing on a piece of a cardboard a particular set of combination or a particular you are just writing three product attributes of that of that particular product, and you ask the customer that please arrange in the order of your preference. Okay, it is not you can ask the same thing on the questionnaire also, but why placards are made? So that normally what we do is that we give the photographs of the combination of the attributes which we are giving, so he can visualize that do I want this, do I am giving the preference for this, and we tell them that please arrange in the order of your preference. So first method is what? The first method of carrying out the conjoint is that this type of method is typical when the subjects are asked assign score to each profile. You assign a score. Okay, this type of method is typical when a Likert scale is used or when the subjects are asked to assign a number from 1 to 100. In the second method, subjects are asked to assign a rank to each profile ranging from 1 to the total number of profiles. In the third method, subjects are asked to sort the profiles in terms of preference. Okay, so there are another technique is that what we do is that first way is give the priority. So the first respondent will write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second will write down again his order. The third will write down again his order, and fourth will write down his order. We can also go for that. We are giving 100 percentage to the total, and which combination you are giving more weightage. So 20% here, 60% here, 30%, and the summation of all this should be 100. So any method can be taken up depending upon the complexity of the customer. Now, what do I mean by complexity of the customer is that if your respondent is our children, make it sure that you make the placards very simple. Don't make it very complex placards, because children are not able to understand the complex cards and complex percentages. And if your respondents are literate, then you can go for percentages, and that way you can go ahead. So as far as possible, make the placards simple with the photographs, so that your respondents can respond well on that. Okay. What we are doing in this thing is we are finding out the part word utility, that out of the total attribute, which attribute is contributing more, which attribute is contributing more in taking a decision that I should go for this purchase or not, and that is known as a part word utility. Then we are having something which is known as a holdout case and a simulation case. Now, what is a holdout case and what is the simulation? Is it means that normally whatever samples we select, say for example 100 samples we are selecting, then it's a normal thing that we divide the sample into 80-20. It means that 80% is reserved for training the algorithm and 20% is for testing. Very simple. I will explain what we are doing is that you must be a faculty somewhere in some university, and you are teaching to your students. Okay, now uh, you have made some MCQs and you are teaching to your children that these are the MCQs which are going to be asked in the exam, and therefore you will teach them the MCQs. The same set of MCQs are being asked in the exam, and therefore it is bound to happen that students are going to perform well. Okay, but say for example that you remain absent on the particular day of the test. Okay, and you ask your colleague to take the test. Now he is not having the questions which you had, the MCQs which you had trained to your students, and he comes out with the new set of MCQs and this set of MCQs, and here and the students are given new set of MCQs. Now what is happening is that the real test comes out of the students when a new set of MCQs are given by the colleague. It will give you that who is actually more intelligent, or is the algorithm working well or not. So the same concept which we are using in case of the students, same concept we will be using here. How? That first we will train the algorithm with the cases, and once the algorithm is been trained, then all those cases which have been kept reserved for testing, we will test the algorithm, that is this algorithm working well with the new cases. And the cases which have been kept reserved are known as holdout cases. Holding out the cases is known as the cases kept reserved for testing. Okay, and we will run the simulation on that, that is that working well or not. Okay. What is the importance of conjoint analysis? It can be used for a new market design, the market share, the strategic advertising, cost benefit analysis. There are so many things which you can come out with the conjoint analysis. I'll give you some examples to the conjoint analysis. Is that initially we used to have a printer, then we used to have a separate scanner, and we used to have a separate you can say photocopier. So the conjoint analysis was carried out in the part utilities, that how these things are working, or rather if this combination is given to the customer, will he accept on this? And this was the forced combination which was created, and the conjoint analysis was created, and it was found that when we go with this combination, it is worthwhile, and therefore the HP which is having the printer, the scanner, and all that things together, it is the product, it is a brainchild of the conjoint analysis. When two products are merged together, now which two products should be merged, or which two things should be merged, or which two offers should be merged, they are all the brainchild of conjoint analysis. So enough of the theory. Let's try to understand this thing with a very practical view. That, say for example, you are buying a smartphone, okay, which is having the MP3 player and all that type of thing. So there are two things which we are assigning to, which we are the first thing is, that is a time. So the first mobile is having the memory of 32 GB, and it is off the shelf, it is not available. And the second thing is a 64 GB and 1 week delivery. Okay, now this is an attribute one. The first attribute is the memory. Okay, the first attribute is the memory. Okay, the second attribute is the delivery. Okay, now let's go ahead. So higher emphasis on short delivery time, higher emphasis on large memory size. So this is a very simple design which we have understood. Okay, now let's try to understand that if the attributes increases, what happens, and what is the design by this method. Okay, please keep aside all your work. Okay, if you want to understand conjoint analysis, please keep your mobiles for silent for some time, because it's little bit complex. Okay, pay attention. We will if it is necessary, we will do recap also. Please concentrate your attention. Okay, so the attributes are color. So the mobile can be in the combination of green and red. Oh, that's not the color which normally we give to the customer, but for you, for the PPT, to understand, to make you understand that what this thing is. So green and red is a combination. So the first attribute, color, green and red. Okay, memory is 16 GB and 64 MB. The delivery is 1 day and 1 week. Now with this combination, how many designs can be created? Just see on your screen. This many designs can be created. Green with 16 MB, 1 week, red with, so 8 combinations can be created. Now, how did we came with the, if is it necessary to run all of them to understand that the 8 combinations can be created? No, it's not necessary. All those who are aware about the power, okay, I'll give you a very small task to them. Okay, very small task, that this is two two levels are there. So two levels are there. So 2 into 2 into 2. How much is it there? 2 into 4 into 2. So all those who are aware about the permutations and combinations. So how many combinations can be made? 8 such combinations can be made. 8 combinations can be made. Okay, 8 combinations can be made. Now what's happening is that it is not possible to assign something, some number. So what, to make our things easier, we are assigning a number of +1 and -1. Okay, so if it is green, +1, and if it is red, -1. Okay, now why we are doing this thing? Because if we want to calculate the slope, it is very easy for us when we make this thing. If we take any other number, it will become little bit tough. So we are assigning a number that +1 and -1, okay, to each pair. Okay, now if this is a thing, if this is a scenario, what is happening? Now see, green -1, 16 GB, -1, weak, -1. Okay, now see, red +1, 16 MB, 1 week, -1, -1. Okay, green, see all the combinations now. Okay, green again -1, 16 MB was -1, 64 MB is +1, 64 MB is +1. Okay, and this is -1. Okay, red +1, 64 MB, 1 week, -1. Now in case of 1 day, 1 day, it is 111. So the entire design has been created. Okay, now why this is necessary? Because for carrying out this type of analysis, the design has to be created, and this is a design. So today also we will be creating first the design, and then we will be doing the analysis. Okay, so -1, 1, -1, 1, -1, and that is a combination. Now there is some rule which is known as, Yeti's rule. Okay, that if you are not able to understand, if you are not able to remember what pattern we should go, then it is very simple that you should go with this pattern. Be with me, all eyes on the screen. Okay, -1, 1, -1, 1, -1, 1, -1, 1, minus minus 1 1, minus minus 1 1. Then see, here -1 is 1 time, here 2 time, here 4 time, -1 -1 -1 -1 1 1 1. And if you go this way, then all the designs which you want to consider will be captured. Okay, so this is a pattern in this data. Okay, now this is a design matrix which is having a 2 raised to k combinations. 2 raised to k combinations means what? uh, here we were having two levels. Okay, two levels in each attribute. We are having two levels. So how many attributes are there with the two levels? Three. Okay, three. So 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 is having a 8 combinations. Suppose if I say one more attribute is inserted which is having a 2 level, then it is 2 to the power 4. So this many designs will be created. More the designs, more the confusions. Okay, so this is a design matrix which has been created. Okay, now this is a full factorial design. I am not considering any interaction effects in this. So you can see now something more here, that what do I mean by 1? Okay, what do I mean by 1? So 1 is located at the corner, -1 -1 -1. Okay, then where is 2 located? So 2 is located here as 1 -1 -1. Why? Now what do I mean by -1 -1 -1, and what do I mean by 1 -1 -1? Okay, so when I'm shifting from color 1 to 2, x1 to 2, okay, I'll make you recall what do I mean by this color, green to red. Green to red, when I'm coming from 1 to 2, okay, 1 to 2, I'm making this way. Then what is 3? Well, then what is 3? In x2, I'm moving from 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3 this side. In delivery, I am moving from 1 to 5. So there are three coordinates on which I am moving. X1 this side, X2 this side, and X3 this side. Okay, so with this combination, entire design has been created. Now with the design has been created, the sequence has been created, the placards have been formed, and this placards, yeah, there is a question, somebody is asking some question. Ravi sir, am I visible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Some
Yes, sir.
question is there?
Yeah, someone raised. No, 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 sir. I think he mistakenly raised the.
Blossoming big days, he is raising the
Yeah,
hand.
I think now he.
No.
No, sir. I think he mistakenly.
Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute, all of you. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. So now when these placards have been made, these placards are given to the customer that according to the to your criteria arrange the placard. So the first customer considered this thing as 1, this thing as 2, this thing as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the set, this is the priority given by the first set of customers, sorry, first customer. Then we give the same placards to another, he will give his ranking. Then we give to third, then he will give this ranking. So we will be collecting the response in that manner. So I was very clear from the first slide that whatever objective which you are giving in your thesis or MPhil, make it sure that you have considered, you are aware about which technique I am going to use. Okay, because if you frame a questionnaire in a wrong way, the conjoint analysis cannot be carried out. Okay, so what we are doing is we are carrying out is a linear model function. So ranking is pathward attribute, that is a contribute of the the contribution of the first attribute and its power x1, the second attribute the memory and its x2, and then its delivery, and that is the that is its slope, and x3. Just follow me, all this thing will become will become more and more simple as we move in SPSS file. And plus error is always there in anything. You cannot be, as I already told, you cannot be 100%. So error is always there. Okay, so now what is happening is that the combinations which we are getting is that what combinations can be formed and what is the design. Okay, so the design can be, you can take the combination, these are main effects. Okay, see, these are the main effects, 1, sorry, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are main effects. Then what can be the another main effects? If I want to see the main effect of x1 was color. So if I want to see the main effect of x1, then 2, 4, 6 and 8, and here 1, 3, 5 and 7. This will give me the main effect of the color. Okay, now if I want to see the main effect of main effect, okay, let's come here, let's sort out this thing. So according to the priority which was given by the customer, okay, according to the priority which was given by the customer, the ranking were 7, 3, 5 and 1. Okay, 7, 3, 5 and 1. So it is 10 plus 5 into plus 1. How much is it? Just check, all of you. Please check, all of you. How much is it? How much is it? So it was 16 minus 20. So I got the contribution of the color. I will repeat again for all of you. Okay. See, this is, if I want to see that is the color contributing towards, is the color contributing towards carrying towards the purchase of the mobile or not, then I will consider the main effect. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 all plus 1 of x1 are considered and their ranks are considered. So what are their ranks? 7, 3, 5 and 1. Take the total of it. So the total of this thing is 16. Now take the minus of it. So that is 1, 3, 5 and 7. So, and we will subtract it and we will get we will take 1 by 4 divided by 2. That is the we take the average of it. We take the average of it divided by 2 is we are getting minus 0.5. So 1 by 4, 16 minus 20. Why 1 by 4? The 1 by 4 is because 1, 2, 3 and 4. And why divided by 2? Because we are taking the average here. Okay, so that's the reason we are saying that the effect of color is minus 0.5. Now I want to see that is there is a effect of x2 or not. How will I go? Can anybody tell me? Just see, the effect is on x2. So 1, 2, 5 and 6. 1, 2 and 5 and 6. Okay, so the memory was here 1, 2, 5 and 6. First we took the negative. Take its combination 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. So it is 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 5, that's 26. Okay, so yes, the 26 is there. Then take all negative, oh sorry, all positive. 1, 1, 1, 1. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 7 plus 2 plus 9, 10. Yes, so 10 minus 26, 1 by 4 divided by 2, and therefore the effect of memory is minus 2. Okay, so what will be the effect of the size or something, or what was the third attribute? Okay, so all negative together, 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3. So 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 8, 22. Is it there? Yes, it is there. All positive, 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. So 11 plus 2, 13 plus 14. So 14 minus 22. So effect is minus 1. Fine. So we got the combination of all the variations which are there. So you can see that the color is contributing plus or minus 0.5. So the total effect is 1. Memory is contributing plus or minus 2. So the total is 4. Then this is what it was. I forgot. Sorry, what it was. I only forgot. Delivery. Oh, sorry. It's a delivery. So the delivery is plus or minus 1. So the total range of this is 2. Take the summation of this is 7. So 1 divided by 7 is 14%, memory is 57%, and delivery is 29%. So when any person goes to purchase the mobile, 57% is the weightage given to the memory. The second weightage is given to the delivery, and the third weightage is given to the is given to the color. This is a hypothetical data. We don't have any relevance with the real life. This is a disclaimer just to make you understand that this is a way which we are clearing out. So there is a question which is coming out. Yes, what is the question? Can we see on the chat screen? What's the question, sir? Ravi sir,
Yes, sir.
what's the question which is coming up?
No, sir, they are, please explain the left side.
They are saying explanation, awesome explanation. Okay, fine. Thank you for the appreciation. Okay, now let's move ahead. Okay, now what was the orthogonal design? I told you to make me remind that what is the orthogonal design. We are taking the main effects only. Okay, we are taking the main effects only means one, the main effects is that we are considering the standalone effect of x1, standalone effect of x2, standalone effect of x3. We are not considering that x1 and x2, if they are tied up together, x1 and x2, if they are tied up together, how they will behave, or x2 and x3, if they are tied up to something, then how it will behave. Now, how many combinations of interaction effects can be considered? Okay, so there can be the first two interaction effects, x1 into x2, x2 into x3, and x1 into x3. So that also we can do. So this is two interaction effects. We can also go for three interaction effects, x1 into x2 into x3. But in case of marketing research, I have normally seen that we only consider the main effects. The another example of the main effects is that you are sitting on a chair, the four pillars, or you can say the four pillars of the chair are main effects. They are not interacting with each other. If they interact with each other, then you will fall down. Okay, another example of orthogonal effect is that when you're just a minute, that you are changing the color of the screen. Okay, changing the color of the television and changing the volume of the television. Now both of them are made on the orthogonal design. Okay, but imagine that in old TV, what used to happen is that when the TV becomes old, then when we change the color, then it also changes the volume. So now the design has started interacting with each other. Okay, the design has started interacting with each other. This is the scenario. So Should we consider interaction effects or not? That is a call by the researcher. Now the conjoint analysis, which is known in the field of marketing research, it is known by the name of conjoint analysis. The same concept in engineering research is known by the name of design of experiments. The same concept in engineering research is known by the name of design of experiments, DOE. So in that case, again, it is a call by the researcher or the experimenter. Also, it is also known as an experimenter. He is also known as an experimenter. By why? Because we are doing an experiment. So should we consider the interaction effects or not? Okay. So let's move ahead for here, and that is the concept of the orthogonal and the main effects. Okay, so all of you start the SPSS. You were all waiting for the things to be worked on SPSS. Now listen to me very carefully. First, we have to create a design. Okay, we have to create the design. Now conjoint analysis does not have any, you can say, graphic user interface. You will have to work on syntax, and believe me, you will be able to work on syntax. I am with you. Okay, syntax in the sense you will have to work on the command, just two piece of command which you have to enter, nothing else. Okay, nothing else. So don't have any fear that we cannot do it. We are here to help you. My mobile number is there on your screen. If you face any difficulty, just take the screenshot and send me the WhatsApp, and I will clarify your doubts there only. Okay, so first we will have to create the orthogonal design. Okay, the first we will have to create the orthogonal design. So all of you start the SPSS, go in data, create the orthogonal design, generate. Okay, click on generate. Okay,
Excuse me, sir. Which file do we need to open?
you don't need to open any file, ma'am. You don't need to open. May I know your good name?
Dr. Supriya.
Supriya, ma'am, you don't have to work on any data file. The reason is that in case of conjoint analysis, first we are creating a design. Now, why we are creating a design? Because we will be carrying out the experiment on the basis of this design. Okay, and therefore we don't require any data right now. Okay, let's see the design and in what combination the products are coming out. Let's see that combination, and that combinations are given to the customer or the respondent, that you respond on this particular design. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
we are not working on any data. Fresh data file, a blank data file, go in data, orthogonal design, generate.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
A window will pop up. Is it there? At least one person respond
Yes,
with
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Go very slowly. Go very slowly. We are not in any haste. Okay. For the success of this object of this workshop is, if you are able to perform the test, if you are able to write one paper, we will be very happy. Okay. And therefore we are sharing with you each and everything what is possible. Okay. Believe me that to make this PPT, we have not downloaded this PPT from anywhere. To give you all this thing in 2 hours, at least we have referred 4 to 5 books. We have referred so many videos to make the things very simple and in a palatable format, so that you can write the paper on it. Okay, so write down first thing, that is package and a package design. Okay, in factor name, write down package and package design. Okay, first thing, this side, left hand side. Okay, press add. Press add. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now you go here, as the package and package design will be highlighted here. Okay, select this. Okay, select this. Should I perform this thing manually for you, all of you? Okay, that will be better. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, I'll perform this thing manually for you, so that it can be very easy for you to understand. Okay, just wait a minute. I will stop sharing. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Meanwhile, if you are having any questions, please ask. If you are having any questions, please ask. Feel free to ask questions, because this is an opportunity which we never got in our lifetime. We had a very tough time to understand all these concepts. So if you are having any questions, any queries, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask.
So,
Yeah.
that regarding, I want to know that -1 +1,
Hmm.
like green you have given -1 and red was +1.
Right.
So that depends on the researcher.
No, it does not depend on the researcher. Yes, I'll give you the explanation to this thing. Is that why we are doing this thing is that it is very easy to carry out the slope here. Okay, it is very easy to carry out the slope here. The contribution is very easy. Are you from science background, sir? May I know your
Yes,
good name, sir?
yeah, Paul.
Paul, sir. If you recall, we used to do y is equal to mx plus c. Do you recall?
Yes,
Y
yes,
is equal
yes.
to mx plus c. What was m? What was
M was
m
a
in
slope.
m was a slope. So how
Yeah.
did we calculate the slope? How did we calculate the slope?
Uh,
That was y1.
y,
That
y2
was
minus y1
y2 minus y1 upon
upon
x2
x2
minus.
minus x1.
Do you recall that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, if we give any other number, okay, that for example 4 minus 2 and all that, then we will have a different slope with a different units in each and every case. Okay, so for example, first attribute we are giving 4 minus 2. The second attribute we are giving 6 minus 3. So we will not be able to have a same unit for each and every attribute. So to make
Okay.
it standardized, we have said that the low -1, high +1, low -1. So we have standardized the attribute, all the attributes at the same scale. So we can say that this is a pure effect. This is an effect of attribute 1, 2, and 3. Basically, what we are doing is we are trying to standardize the attributes at the same level. Or you can say that we are providing the same leveling field to each and every attribute so that we can compare. That's the
Okay.
reason. Okay, that's the reason. Okay,
Now, what I was wanting to know was green instead of green, can red become -1 and green become +1?
you can take a call in any way.
Ah,
There is no problem in it. There is a no
okay.
problem in it.
That's what I wanted.
See, first of all, let me create the design. Okay, when the
Okay.
design will be created, you will be able to understand that yes, what we are doing is now what you are asking, Paul sir, is it is also known as a sign reversal. Okay, it's also
Okay.
known as a sign reversal, which we will be discussing. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
let me talk
Thank you,
about
sir.
it. Feel free to ask questions. Okay, so I'm starting my SPSS. Wait a minute. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
So all of you go in analyze, sorry, data, generate. First of all, go there. Okay, all those who are there. So what is the first thing which we wrote here? What is the first thing? Can anybody tell me? Package
Package.
and
Package design.
package name. Add. Did you do that? Add.
Yes, sir.
Now just click on this. All of you, click on this and define the values. Did you got this?
Yes, sir.
I'm somebody saying please wait. Just wait. Okay, did you got this? Now see what I am doing it. Please be with me. Okay, what I am doing, just write down 3 here and fill. Okay, then write down a asterisk. So three types of packaging are there: B asterisk, C asterisk. Okay, all of you done? A asterisk, B asterisk, C asterisk. You can keep ABC also. There is no harm in it. Then continue. Be with me. Okay, so 1 A asterisk, 2 B asterisk, 3 C asterisk. So the first attribute which we have given is the package, and there are 3 types of package which are there. Okay, okay. Now we are assigning the another attribute, that is brand. Brand. Is there any question, Ravi sir? Please be with me. Is there any question which is there?
The Asha Sharma is asking what to do after click on add.
Right. Asa madam, are you there? Can you listen me? Asa madam, are you there? Asa ma'am, are you there?
Asha ma'am, you can ask directly to the sir also. You can unmute yourself.
Are you getting it? Anybody who is not getting it, see. First, you have to write down package, then define the values. After that, continue. Okay. Add, and you continue, and you have to go there. Okay. Done. Data. I am repeating again. Generate the design. Okay. Asha ma'am, for you, please pay attention. Last time, okay. Package name. Okay, please all of you pay attention. You will face a problem only one time. Okay, add, click on it, define the values. Okay, define the values. Here three packages are there, so from 1 to 3 fill. Okay, now A asterisk, B asterisk, and C asterisk. Continue. Okay, so the first attribute has been assigned to the design. Now the next one is brand. Add. Okay, now I want to say that there are 3 types of brand. So click on it, then only the define values will get activated. Define the values. Okay, define the values. 3 brands are there. 3 fill. Okay, so now these are all brands. So the first brand is K2R. Okay, these are just the hypothetical examples. We don't have any such thing K2R in real life. These are just examples of the brand Glory. The third one is Bicel. Okay, Bicel. Continue. So now the second attribute has been also assigned to the system. Now I am assigning the third attribute, that is price. Add. Are you with me, all of you? Anybody lagging behind? Feel free to discuss, nothing to worry. Price. Click on price. Yeah, there is someone who is on the chat box. Can you please wait, sir? Yes, we are waiting. Vijay Shukla Badal. Vijay sir, we are waiting for you. Can you please repeat it, sir? From where? Vijay sir, please unmute yourself. From where? From where I should repeat, sir? It is very, very simple. Vijay sir, it is very simple. From where you have lost the track, Vijay sir?
From product, sir.
From
Product.
product. Were you
Yeah.
able to write this thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, pay attention on your price. Okay. Please write down price.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, all of you, listen to me very carefully. This is just, I'm giving you a trial exercise. Even if you miss out something here, nothing to worry, because I have already sent the ready-made design and the preferences. This is, I'm just trying to make you practice that how a design is created. Okay. Even if you are not able to create design here, you will be able to do the analysis part. Don't worry at all. Okay. Everything you will be able to do. But here I'm just trying to make you aware that how the design is created. Okay. So now again, go in price, define values. So 3 prices are there. Okay. So here don't use the command autofill. Here write down 1.19. Here also there. So the price is, this is just a hypothetical price which I'm taking, 1.39. Here the fourth thing is 1.59. What is the label here? So here it is 1.19, 1.39, same thing, 1.59. Okay, so 3 prices are there. Continue. So I'm getting the 3 prices now. Okay, then I'm using seal, good housekeeping. Okay, good housekeeping. Okay, good housekeeping seal is there or not in the, that when you got the package, was it in a good condition or not? Okay, good housekeeping seal. Add, select on it. 1, no. 2, yes. Continue. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Money back guarantee. Money. Okay, and I'm just writing it down here. Money back guarantee. Money back guarantee. Something is wrong. I have entered something wrong here.
Sir, I got it. You are supposed to select it.
No,
Actually.
no. That's not the case. That's not the case.
So I think so all spelling should be small letters, money back guarantee.
Is it so? Is it so? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is not normally
Yes.
this.
Before any of the,
The space bar.
yes, that is why it is giving illegal character.
Where is the space bar?
After the complete word, you have actually entered the space bar. That's why.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like
yes,
that.
yes.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, money also.
so I'm really happy that you are able to achieve better than me. Oh, thank you. Thank you,
Thank
all
you,
of you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Thank you. So just click here and define the values. So when you define the values, I am saying money back guarantee not given. No. If it is given, then say yes. Okay. Yes. Continue. Now click on options. Click on options. Now, how many cases you want to generate? How many designs you want to generate? Okay, you can write down n number of designs. Okay, now what basis you will write down this case? Can anybody answer me that minimum number of cases to generate? And on what basis you will write the number here? Can anybody tell me this thing? Can I write 100? Can I write 200? Can I write 1? What number should be written here?
Sir,
Ah,
it will depend on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combination, no? Package, brand, price, seal, money, like how we are done for the other one.
agreed.
Yeah.
But what is going to happen is your design is going to blast. How your design is going to blast is, see how many levels are there in package design? 3. In brand 3. Then in price 3. Seal 2. Money back guarantee 2. Now how much? What would be the how many combinations can be created? Just write down on one page. 3 into 3 into 3. So that is 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 27. 27 into 2, 54. 54 into 2, 108 designs can be created. Now, if you give 108 design to your customer, will he be able to arrange the placards?
No.
It will be a very cumbersome task. So what I'm saying is that randomly make 18 cases. Okay, it can be 15, it can be 16. It depends on your capacity, and it depends upon the customer capacity to answer. So keep 18 cases for training and 4 cases for testing. Okay, 4 cases for testing. Okay, so total 22 cases have been created. Done? Done?
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Continue. Okay, continue. Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, just click here, create new data file. Is it there? Have you clicked it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, make it sure
Sir,
that, yeah,
so how many numbers of fold out cases? Number of fold out cases?
4.
Is equal to
4. 4.
Oh, okay, sir.
Just
Then continue.
click on pop-up window and make it sure that you are aware that where you are saving this file, because I don't know where you are going to save this file. So you can keep it in desktop, you can keep it in documents. Make it sure that where you are saving the file, you are aware about that thing. Is it clear, all of you? Because you all will be saving the file at different locations. So make it sure that whatever path which you specify here, that path you should be aware. So all of you, if you are all comfortable, save it on desktop only. Desktop, and give the name. Okay, give the name. Orthogonal design, or you can say the plan of our experiment. So experimental plan. Okay, and save, then run, click OK, and see what has happened. Okay, nothing will happen on your screen. Nothing will happen on your screen. What will happen?
Sir, I have just missed the last steps. So in my case,
Don't worry. Don't worry. I am with you. Don't worry. I am with you.
Sir, here I am on the window of generate orthogonal design. Now what to do?
Generate. You are here.
Yes, sir. Orthogonal design. Generate orthogonal design on the window. So there is a option that shows me that create a new data set and
Create new data file. Create new data file.
Create new data file. Okay.
And specify the location where you want to save this. Okay.
So how to specify location? Create on file.
No. See, do one thing. May I know your good name, sir? Ujjwal, sir. Do one thing specifically for you. Go on desktop. Select desktop.
No, this window is not coming to me. Actually, I am on the window generate orthogonal design, and I have chosen the option of create new dataset. Now, on which we shall click on OK.
Okay. You are here. Create a new dataset.
Yes,
are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Write down the name of the dataset here.
Oh.
Okay. So for you only. Okay. Just write down the name of the dataset here.
What name shall I give here?
Are you not having a second option, sir? You are
Yes,
not having
I have the second option. Yes.
Then select second option.
Yes. I have, yes. I am selecting second option.
That's what I'm saying. Select the second option.
Yes, sir. I have selected.
Then specify the location where you want to save the
Okay,
file.
I said click file. Okay, file. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Got it.
Got it. Now
Yes,
click OK, and nothing will happen here. Now the thing which will happen here is go at the location where you have saved the file. Okay. So for me, the file was located at documents, and click on it. Okay, click on it. So just go there and just click on it. Okay. Is it there? Is the design has been created? Has the design been created for all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you, please check.
Yes.
Has the design been created?
Yes, sir.
Please give me the affirmative from all of them. Anybody who is lagging behind, feel free to discuss. Feel free to discuss. Feel free to discuss. Share with me whatever feelings you are having. Okay, fine.
Sir, actually, I have selected desktop, and after that, what is I'm supposed to do, please, sir?
You selected desktop, then see on the desktop, the file may have been generated. You go there and select that file. Run that file. What name you have saved, sir? By what name you have saved it?
Sir, design.
Design. So go on the screen, go on the desktop and see that is the design file available. Just go there and see. Okay. Is it available?
Sir, it's not there. Sir, it's not appearing there.
It's fine. If it is not appearing, then also don't mind, because I have given you the file. The same file is I have sent to you. Don't worry. Okay. Repeat the procedure, see the video and how to do it after the session gets over. Okay. The file is with you. May I know your good name, sir?
Vijay Shukla, sir.
Vijay Shogla. The ready-made file have been sent to you. So don't worry. Don't get disturbed. This is just
Actually, there is a window generate orthogonal design, and actually I have done everything, but I have selected desktop in the file, and then what to do, the last step I have missed actually.
It's okay. It's fine. Nothing to worry. Now see, once the design has been generated, you go again in orthogonal design and display. Okay, display. Okay, go in orthogonal design and display. Okay, all of you, and select all these things and transfer here. Vijay sir, don't worry. When the analysis part will come, you will be again on the tracks with us. Okay, don't worry, Vijay sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Don't worry, Vijay sir. I'll make it sure that I make you remind that from where your file you have to extract the file. Don't worry. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The file is with you. Don't worry. Okay. Now tick on listing for experimenter, and the window will get activated. All the attributes on which the decisions are being taken, click OK on it. And you will see the design which is there, which we have created in the output window. Just check. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it, all of you?
So can
Yes,
you repeat
sir.
once again, please?
Sure. Why not? Why not? Go in data, go in orthogonal design, go in display. Select all the attributes. Don't select status and cards. Please don't select status and card. Okay. Please don't select status and card. Okay. Please don't select status and card. Select listing for experimenter, click OK, and you will get this window of the design which has been created. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Now, the thing which is very glaring, which we want to know is, go in data view. All of you go in data view. The status, what is a status? Status is something which is related to that from 1 to 18, we will be using these cases for training, and the last 4 will be for testing. Okay, from 1 to 18, we will be using for training, and last 4 will be testing. Is it done? Is it done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the design has been created. Now I request all of you to close everything. Close everything. Okay, don't worry, close everything. Close everything. Close everything. Daksha ma'am, you are getting 2 here because you have specified the holdout samples more, possibly.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Now close everything. Okay, close everything. Now relax for 2 minutes and ask some questions. Okay, relax. All of you relax. Any questions are there? Any questions are there that what we have done? Now I am asking a question to you. Okay, you are all my resource person and I am your student. You will answer me. Okay, can you tell me that what we have done today? Up till now, what we have done? What we have done? It is there in your, it is there on your screen. What we have done? Anybody who wants to reply? Anybody who wants to reply? No?
We have created a design here on the basis of 6 attributes which we've selected.
Okay, so suppose I want to launch a product, then second type of package, brand is this, price is this, seal is this much, money is this, is the first customer. This is the first customer. How he is going to rank this, all these combinations? Naturally, he will give a different ranks to each. Then I will go for second, then I will go for third, and I want to find out that when a customer is selecting any product, what is the priority in it? Okay, is he looking for a package? Is he looking for a brand? Is he looking for a price? Is he looking for seal? I don't know. Okay, what he is looking for? Is it clear? Now I have already sent you the 2 SPSS file in which the ready-made designs has been generated. Vijay sir, please come on tracks. The email has already been sent to you. Just first of all, open the file which is there under the name of, I have already sent you the file. Please, all of you, open that file. It's under the name of, wait a minute. It's under the name of, the name is the carpet plan and carpet preference. So first of all, open the carpet plan. All of you, please open the carpet plan. Open the carpet plan. Okay. New fresh thing. The design has been generated. Everything has been done. I am closing this thing. No. Please open the carpet plan file. Is the design there? All of you, please check. Is the design there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the design there? Vijay sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry. That was a way so this carpet plan design is already there in with you now, which had been created by us. Okay, So even if you have got the lapses in creating the design, this will sort out your problem. Okay. So the file is there with you. Okay. File is there with you. Okay. Now open the carpet preference. Carpet preference is there. Just see, carpet preference is there. All of you. The preference of the customer on the design.
Yes, sir.
Is it there? Please
Yes,
check the preference given by the customer. Is it there?
Yes, sir. Opened it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it there?
Yes, sir.
Now make it sure that you are aware about the location of these two files. Is it clear? That where these two files are located in the Explorer. Is it clear? Here,
Yes.
where it is located, right? Okay, be with me. The third file which was sent to you was the syntax file, and that was under the name of Conjoint. Please open that file. Conjoint. It's a syntax file. Are you able to open the file? Just check it.
Yes, sir. It was, but it is on editor. It is on editor. It is open source editor.
Yeah, did you got this type of file, all of you? Did you got this type of file?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Did you got this type of file? I'm repeating
Yes, sir.
again and again.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now this is the syntax file. Conjoint does not have any graphic user interface for carrying out the analysis. Is it clear? Very slowly. Okay, very slowly. First is conjoint plan, in which we will feed the design. And in second, there is the preferences. The preferences of the customer. This is design. This is preference. Are you all ready to go? This is design. This is preference. Don't get disturbed. Don't worry. Okay. Only one command which I have, two commands are there which we have to do, and that is also copy and paste. Be with me. You all can do. Okay. You all can do. Be with me. Right. Now go at the location where this file is there. Go at the location where carpet plan and carpet preference is there. Got it? Sir, it will open. Paul, sir, it will open. Ananya, it will open. Ananya, Paul, it will open. Don't worry. If you are not able to open, all those who are not able to open, please be with me. Okay. All those who are not able to open, please be with me. All those who are not able to open, please be with me. Okay. Please be with me. Yeah, here. You can also open the syntax file which I have sent to you from here. File, open, syntax. Okay. File, open, syntax. Okay. File, open, syntax. You can also open the file from here. How you can open it? Go at the location where the file is located. Where the file is located. So my file is located at the location. I'm trying to browse the location which is there. So you just select the conjoint file which I had sent to you. Okay. The conjoint file which I have sent it to you. Please on open, and you will get, you will be able to get this thing. Okay. You can go from here also. Is it clear? Is it clear? Ananya, Paul, did you got it? Sir, I'm over. Thank you, sir. Now I can open it. Fine. Thank you. If you will speak, then I will be able to rectify your doubt. If you will not speak, I will not be able to do any, I will not be able to help you. Is it clear? Okay, now I will go at the location again at the syntax file. Where the syntax file was, I also got lost. Where I was, yeah, I was here. Okay, I was here. Okay, now see, be with me. I am first of all removing file specification. Okay, and make it sure one inverted commas are there. One inverted comma is active. Done. One inverted comma is active. Make it sure both the sides one inverted commas are active. Now go at the location where your file is there. Here carpet plan which we had created. Select the carpet plan. Select the carpet plan and be with me. Be with me. Carpet plan. Okay, activate that carpet plan. Don't double click it. Just single click carpet plan and copy the path. Copy path. Copy path. Done. Nothing will happen. And again go to the location and control V. Press it. Control V. Control V. Now he will insert. It will insert another double inverted commas. Remove the double inverted commas. We want single inverted commas only. Okay, very simple task. Very simple task. I am waiting for all of you. How many participants are there? 85 participants. I don't worry. As far as you are not able to do this thing, we will not proceed. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I'm not getting copy link option in carpet plan. In the location where it is saved, I'm right clicking that carpet plan, but I'm not getting...
No, you don't have to right click, ma'am.
Okay.
You just see here and see on the up. See here, copy path. See here.
But sir, this will be only for Windows 8 or above.
It is.
For those who are using Windows 7, this option is not there.
It is there from Windows 95. So just see in home, it is there. My PC is older than you. It is there. Carpet plan.
Done, sir.
Done. Anybody who is still not getting it? Anybody? I am waiting for you. Last person who asked me that, sir, I am not having it. Is it having it?
I got it, sir.
Fine. Last person. Who asked the last question?
Sir, I asked. I got it.
No. Before you.
Okay.
Windows 7, it is not there. Before Windows 7, somebody spoke that thing, no? Who was that person? Can I know that?
Yes, sir.
You got it? You got it?
I got it.
Okay.
I have it.
Okay. Chalo. Thank you, all of you. And then now go in carpet preference. Copy the path. Okay. Copy the path. And go in file specification. What you will do? Control V. Make it sure you remove double inverted commas from both the sides. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
You should not have something in red. Okay, I am ready to wait for you for a long time. Okay, bus, nothing you have to do. No more changes. It is finished. Okay, this is the only thing which you have to do. Is it done? Is it done?
Yes,
I am
sir.
waiting.
Yes, sir, done.
I am waiting 1 more minute. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now run. Just see your run. Okay. Run. Okay.
Sir, I copied, but no paste option is not there, sir.
What paste option is not there?
Sir, just I copied the path, but sir, how to paste it, sir? There.
Control V. Control V.
But this option is, sir.
It is not there. It is not there. Control V. Control V. Just You have to do it with your keyboard, Control V.
Sir, but nothing is happened, sir. I am doing this, but control V is.
Copy path. May I know your good name, ma'am?
Sir, Asha.
Asha ma'am, don't get disturbed. Okay. First of all, relax. Okay. If you are not able to do it, I'll show you another way. Okay. Okay. Just go here, right click and press paste. Are you getting it? Right click and paste. Okay. Has anybody got the result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
What result you got?
Sir, excuse me. We need to click on run and then
Run, just run. Is it working? I hope it is not working here. I think so it is not working. Because it is not working here. In my case, it is not working. Let me see. It is working or not. No, it's not working. Is it working for you?
No, sir.
It's fine.
Yes, sir.
Select all and
Please, can you please repeat the whole process once again, sir? Please.
It's
Okay.
working, sir. Maybe the paths copied.
No,
are
no, no.
not
There is no
correct.
path problem. There is no path problem. Nothing.
sir, I have selected all.
Mine is working, sir.
You
And
got
mine
The
is also
results.
working.
Yes,
you
sir.
got you got the
Yes,
out,
sir.
you got
Yes,
the
sir.
out,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. I got the
you
output.
got
Yeah, sir.
you got the output. Let me see
Yes.
what's wrong with me. Those who did not got the result, don't get disturbed. Okay, we will go with a different route because life has taken a struggle for us. Okay, so I am with you in your struggle. Okay, don't get disturbed. Is it clear? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So run. Yeah, let me see. Run. It is not working for me also. Okay, run the command. It is not working.
Sir, select all, then run.
Control on and run. Then also it is not working. Okay, then also it is not working. It is not giving me the output which should be there in the output window. Let me see. Is it giving? No, it is not giving me any such thing. Okay, fine. Okay, so all those who did not got the result, okay, life has taken a struggle for us, and let's move on a different path. So I am closing this. Okay, close this, close everything. All of you, close everything. Those who did not got the result, close everything. Okay, those who did not got the result, close everything, and we will take a different route. Okay, we will take a different route. Close this. Yes, close everything. Close everything. Nothing will happen. Close everything. Okay, yes, yes, this also close, this also close, close, no. There should not be anything on the screen so that it creates a lot of ambiguity. Okay, so close. What's this? This is also close. Okay. Now the only thing which should be active on your screen should be the carpet plan. All of you, those who did not got the result. The only thing which should be active on your screen should be the carpet plan, nothing else. Okay. Now all those who did not got the result, you go from file, open, syntax. Okay. File, open, syntax. Okay. Life has taken a different route for us. Okay. I am with you. Don't not to worry. Run this. Okay. Click on conjoint open. Are you getting, all of you, this thing? Those who did not got the result, are you getting this thing now? I'm waiting for you, all of you. Say yes or no, those who have not got the result.
Yes, sir, we are getting.
You're getting it? Anybody for whom I have to wait? Anybody, please feel free. Please feel free. Don't get disturbed. You have not lost anything. Okay, you have not lost anything. Now, what we have to do here? Can anybody tell me? Any resource person for today? What I have to do here? Conjoint plan. What I will paste here?
We'll copy the path of the carpet plan.
Of the design.
Yes, sir.
So go in carpet plan, copy the path. Okay, go in carpet plan and Control V. Now what I will paste here, the preferences given by the customers. Done. So I'll again go here and carpet preference and copy the path. Copy the path here, and again I will go here and Control V. If it becomes red, it means that some error is there. Okay. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who is left out? Anybody? Yeah, there is some window which is popping up. Check. Select all and then run. Yes, Ujjwal sir. Thank you. It means that it is working for you. Very nice. So run. Shall we run for the marathon? Anybody left out? Anybody left out? Shall we run for the marathon? I hope we get the result. Run. And yes, we are happy that we got the result. Yes, I am also happy with you. Our struggle is no more our struggle. All those who were the winners, we are with you now. Is it clear? Did you got the same result? Anybody who's left out? Anybody? Did you all got this result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who is left out, feel free to discuss. I am again there to repeat with you. Don't have that feeling that I am left out. Okay. Anybody for whom I have to wait? Anybody? Please feel free to discuss. Anybody? No? Okay. Now all the statistics have been generated, and now the next path comes is of interpretation. Let's try to interpret each and everything which is there. So did you got this thing, all of you? Is it there on your screen, all of you, this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is a utility estimated, that how much package utility or how much contribution is there by the package and brand. So still I am not able to get the clarity that what it means to say about the package attribute. Okay. So normally that I am making any combination and I'm trying to find out that what is the utility of this package. For example, I am making a design in which I want to find out the total utility. And I'm making a design B with brand K2R, price 1.19 and no seal of approval or money back guarantee. What is the utility? So I'm making the utility of package B, utility of K2R, utility of 1.19 plus utility, no sale, no back plus constant. And what is the answer which I am getting? Okay. So just I'm taking the utility of package B. What is the utility of package B? 1.867. Fine. Then I'm saying K2R. Then 0.367. Is it there? Yes, it is there. Then $1.19 price. What is its utility? So it is minus. So minus 6.595. Okay. Then utility of no sale. Utility of no sale 2. Utility of no money back guarantee. It is 1.250. Okay. And the constant in the model. The constant in the model is 12.80. So I'm getting the answer 11.759. Now, similarly, if I make any other combination, and if I find out that which is having more utility, the combination which is having more utility is accepted. Okay. So, for example, if I come out with C, brand something else, price different, and I again calculate the utility function. If its utility function is more than this, then I will say that combination is better than this combination. So first part is over. Second part. The second part is the importance values. Did you got the importance value? Please check, all of you. Did you got the importance value?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the customer is giving more importance to the package, then the price, then the brand, and then the money. Did you got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. It's a regression coefficient, beta coefficient, on which you can create the regression equation. If you remember, the regression coefficient which we had made of in linear regression. So how can a linear regression be made? Minus 5.5 into price plus 2 into seal plus 1.250 into money. That way also you can make the regression equation. Okay.
Yes.
Now the last part, it's a very small part which is remaining, that is Pearson's R, Kendall-Stauby and Kendall-Stau for holdouts. If you remember that I had talked about the MCQs. The MCQs means the test, how it is performing on the testing data set and the holdout. Okay, so on holdout samples, your Kendall-Stauby is 0.667. Okay, it is reasonable in the sense that only 66% are able to clear the exam. It means that the correlation is not so good. It should be more than 0.7. Then we can say that all holdout samples are also obeying the utility function which has been created by you on the training data set. Here it is not there. Okay, here it is not there, but not to worry. Pearson's R is very high and Kendall-Stau is also very high, and therefore you can say that we'll be able to use this algorithm. Okay, we will be able to use this algorithm. The number of reversals. You can see that there are 3 cases. Okay, there are 3 cases in which the reversal has occurred. Somebody had asked me, sir, that can we keep red and green and green and red? Now, what is the reversal? The reversal is that normally that if the price is high, okay, the priority is less. Okay, this is the acceptable rule. If the price is high, the preference is less. But there are some customers that if the price is high, their priority is high. They are not obeying the normal, you can say the normal characteristics, a snob appeal. So there are 3 such people. There are 3 such people who has made the sign reversal in case of price, in case of money, and in case of seal. They have made the reversal. They are going against the decision. Against the decision in the sense the normal rule. Against the normal rule, they are not going. Normally, say for example, money back guarantee. All of you, do you require? Yes. Do you require a proper sale? Yes. Do you require less money? Yes. Do you require a less price? Yes. Do you require a brand? Yes. But there are some people who have gone against this rule. Okay. So more the price, more their priority. So how many of them have reversed the sign? 3 people have reversed the sign. 2 people do not require money back guarantee. 2 people do not require the money sale. So 7 people have the sign reversals. 7 people have signed reversals. Okay. So this is the end of conjoint analysis. Any questions are there? Please tell me what is the extract of today's, the importance which is being given by the customer on the attributes which we have made. One thing. The second thing is we can make the utility functions of the 2 brands. Let's say, for example, if I want to launch 2 products, two types of product whose combinations are ABC and ABCD, then the product which is having more utility will naturally be launched because the attributes are more assigned to it and its utility function is higher. So thank you all of you. You can ask the question, all of you, and we are on time. The question answer round opens up.
Sir, I have a question not from the session, but just for my knowledge. One syntax for conjoint analysis you had already written and we used it. From where we can learn more syntax? Is there a certain database?
Ma'am, I have not written the syntax of conjoint analysis. I have not written the syntax. It is default which is being given in your IP in SPSS. All of you, if you will try to explore the space in which the SPSS is there, you will get the syntax function. All of you, be with me that where these syntax functions are located. All of you, okay, go there. Okay, where where you must be having the program files where you have loaded your SPSS. Just go there, all of you. Go there, all of you. Go there at the place where your SPSS is there. SPSS. Okay. Or you can also say that I'll be using the IBM so that my path and your path is same. So IBM SPSS. Okay. Click on SPSS. The statistics window will pop up. Click on statistics. Okay, click on 19. Probably in your case it will be 25. Click on that thing, double click on that thing. The samples will be there. Samples will be there. Okay, samples will be there. Just wait a minute, let me check. Okay, yes, it is there. Okay, so the samples will be there, and in samples click on English, and here the conjoint path is there. Conjoint, see, check it, all of you, check it. The conjoint syntax is there. Check it. Is it there? I have not written the syntax. One thing. Did you got it, ma'am? Who asked the question?
Yes, sir. I did, and I got it. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, your answer is not over. Listen to me. May I know your good name, ma'am?
Mansi, sir. It's Mansi.
Mansi, ma'am. Now, the another part of the question which you did not ask. Why syntax? What is the importance of syntax? And should we work on syntax? Yes, you should work on syntax. I will show the beauty of the syntax, what it can do. Okay, be with me, all of you. See what I am doing it. Okay, so I'm doing something which is not related to today's session. I'm saying analyze. In analyze, give me the descriptive statistics, descriptives. Okay, compute the descriptives of this of the price and good housekeeping. Okay, just see the normal course which you have not seen. Okay, I am pressing paste. Okay, paste, and a syntax window will pop up. Can you see this? A syntax window. Is this there? Syntax window is there. All of you see on in your syntax window. See in your syntax window.
So can you please repeat this?
Yeah, I will repeat it. Are you on this data file, ma'am? First of all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You go in analyze, go in descriptives, go in the descriptive here. You select any of the data file, any of the two variable, and press paste. Press paste. Okay, and the syntax window which was open in default, this will come up. Done? Check it.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now, what is the beauty of this syntax? Suppose you carried out the pilot study on which the 100 samples, and you went on doing the analysis, and okay, you went on doing the analysis by using the graphic user interface in which you computed the graphical representation. You went for means, you went for parametric test, non-parametric test, factor analysis. You went on doing that thing on pilot study for 100 samples. And after that, what happened is that now your sample size increased to 500. Okay, so what will happen is you will have to carry out the whole process of descriptive analytics, bar chart, t-test, everything once again. But suppose if you have saved this syntax file, okay, that for every command which you are running, paste, 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 so this entire syntax file will be generated. Now your the sample size which has increased to 500, not to worry, the syntax is there with you. Control A, run, and your entire output will be generated on its own. You don't have to do anything now. Okay, the thing which you do now, which you did on the file of 100, now you don't require to do it on your on 500 by clicking each and everything again and again. It is done. It has already been done. The syntax has run. and on 500 just run it, and the answer is so, and you will get the entire output file on your own. So this was the second part of your question. Any other question, please? Please, any other question? I hope.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it is one kind of programming type, like this syntax center is like.
No, it is not programming. You don't require any knowledge of programming. Did I do any programming? No, I have not done any programming. You have to just paste it, and when you want to close it, make it sure that you save this syntax file. Save this syntax file. Okay. And when you open the data view, go in open syntax file which you have made, run it, and it is done.
Okay. Sir, can I save this in separate syntax file also?
Huh?
Can I save this command in separate syntax file also?
Yeah, you can save it as a syntax.
Here it is written just below the above.
What?
Below the conjoint.
Okay. Okay. Let me show you something. Then only you will be able to understand. Close this. Okay. I'm closing this thing. Okay. I'm closing this thing. Okay. Let me close this also. No, I don't want to save it. Fine. I'm closing this thing also. The output which had been saved to close. No. Now see. Let us do only. Then only you will be able to realize what we are doing. Go in analyze, descriptive statistics and descriptives. Okay, where we were there. Okay, where we were there, and transfer the things here. Okay, transfer the things here. Done? All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who is left out, please feel free to discuss. Done? Now, before you click OK, just press paste. Is it done? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, it is not coming. After giving the clicking on the paste option,
yes.
this new window is not popping up, which is there in your.
See down, ma'am. Don't get disturbed. See down. See down. It will be there.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
It is. May I know your good name, ma'am?
Dr. Supriya, sir.
Supriya, ma'am. These softwares are like wife. You have to understand how they are behaving. So we are trying to understand their behavior from last 12 years and how they are behaving. So we know that where they are located.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, we can add the more variables here also on this.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. If you get aware about the variable,
just typing in.
You can directly do the editing. There was one program was of mine on just working on syntax. Okay, now let's see that what it can do. Okay, what it can do. It has, this thing is done. This thing is done. Now save this. All of you save the syntax where you can remember it. So save. Okay, save on desktop on your name. Okay, on your name. Save it there. On your name on desktop. Do that way. The syntax is on your name, desktop. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done, all of you? Shall I move ahead? Anybody who is left out? Yes, done. Okay, good.
Done, sir.
Done. Now close this. Close the syntax.
One thing, sir. Hello, sir. In these lines, in this your file, data set is not actually given here. So I have to first open the data set, then we have to run the syntax editor.
Yes, very good question. May I know your good name, sir?
So job set.
Data set is given. See the brand, price, seal, and money was there. No, that is the
no. In this syntax editor, which data actually I want to analyze, it is not written in the command format.
No, it is not necessary because it works on the
I know,
variable view.
I have to first open the file, then I have to run the.
Yeah, okay. First you have to open the file and then only. Now close everything. Make it sure that your data file is on. Okay. The syntax which you have made, now you will able to explore it. Go in file, open, and syntax. Done. Go on desktop where you have saved the syntax file. Select it with your name. Done? All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Open. Done?
Yes, sir.
Run. The output window is generated. You will have to select it, right? I forgot to select it, right? Control A, run. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are doing this thing for all the commands which you have run by under your name, probably you must have run all the commands with sample size 100. Okay. Now you don't have to do all the selections again. As you are having a syntax file, just press Control A and your thesis will be ready within couple of minutes. Got it? So we are trying to show you the path in which you can go in a very, very easy way rather taking a very long route. Okay. Any other question, please, all of you? Any other question? Any other question? Any other question, please? Are you all enjoying the session? Are you all happy with the sessions? Is it going well?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So over to you, Ravi sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I think everyone is enjoying, sir. Everyone is learning so many things. Even I didn't know anything about these all the statistics. Thank you so much, and I am also learning little bit. So, if anyone wants to ask anything to Dhaval sir, they can ask, and anything else related to workshop, related to the previous sessions, related to anything about us, Inspira, they can ask if any query.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am, please.
Sir, I have a question that for this conjoint analysis, we have to run only through syntax. There is no command like that or anything.
No, there is no command, ma'am. There is no command. That's a basic problem. There is no command, and you cannot have the command also. You cannot have a command also because you have to first create a design. Okay, and each design is different, and therefore it is not possible to do that thing.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can we request all of them to start their videos, to open their videos, so that I can take a screenshot with you also. So please.
Yeah. So Mansi ma'am is there. All of you, please.
All of you, please start the video because all of them is some of them is not.
At least see my face. Who?
Sir, because they are the actual participant who wants to learn.
No, they should know that behind the screen who is torturing them for so many days.
I think some participants are waiting for only the recorded video.
Yeah.
That's why they are not. They have not joined. Yeah. But they are the actual participant who wants to learn. Actually, I think so.
Right. So Paul sir is there with me.
Kalpana ma'am, Shilpa ma'am,
yeah, Paul sir, how are you?
Kanta, please show your background.
I
Malaysia
got confused between Paul and Ananya Paul. So sorry.
Okay.
So, both of them, yeah. Okay, Ujwal Seth.
Yeah, ma'am has written his mobile number, I think.
Then it is Atul Bhargava, Sondi sir, Sumi Prasad, Vijay Shukla. Vijay Shukla, कहाँ से है आप? विजय सर आप कहाँ से? Mute your mic. Unmute your mic.
Yeah, I'm from Lakhimpur Kheri, UP, sir.
हाँ, मतलब लग रहा है कि बहुत ठंड है वहाँ पे, ऐसा लग रहा है.
सर एक्चुअली मेरे बाल जो है ना मैंने वो हटाए हैं, इसीलिए मैंने पहन रखा है.
मेरे तो कब से झड़ गए हैं, ये जब से SPSS पढ़ा ना तब से झड़ना शुरू हो गए.
कविता मैम, आर यू इन सऊदी अरेबिया स्टिल और कहाँ आगे क्या मैम आप?
नहीं सर स्टिल आई एम इन सऊदी अरेबिया.
कविता मैम, आर यू एंजॉयिंग द सेशन? जो लास्ट टाइम कंफर्मेटरी रह गया था वो इस टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा आपका.
Yes, sir. So last time
Each and
से रह
every
गया.
state participants are there. Each and every state, even from outside India also.
Okay. BS Rao, how are you enjoying? Unmute.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Right. Okay.
So
fine.
the program actually I'm from pharmaceutical sciences, sir.
Right.
So I'm trying to learn the computer software relating to this aspect.
Right. Very nice. Shilpa ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Mahua ma'am, please.
Mahua ma'am, where are you? Mahua ma'am, where are you?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Why are you not starting a video?
आपका वीडियो स्टार्ट कीजिए.
ये देखिए सर, खान साहब का ये फिक्स बैकग्राउंड है. मलेशिया से ये जुड़ गए हैं अपने.
Sir, I am from.
खान साहब,
हाँ, एक मिनट. There is someone. Shilpa ma'am, please बोलिए.
Sir, I am from Junagadh Agriculture University.
Okay.
And I am enjoying the session very well. So nice of you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, Mahua ma'am, where are you?
Mahua ma'am is not going to start her video, I think.
अच्छा, okay. तो हो गया फोटो सेशन आपका?
Yes sir. Thank you so much.
अतुल भार्गव सर.
Yes sir.
बताइए कैसा है? ठीक है, going well, all well?
Actually, I have some other engagements also. I am so partially attending, and then I'm just viewing the video.
Okay.
Afterwards.
Fine. It's fine. Neha ma'am, Neha MK.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So I'm
Mahua
from
ma'am
Karnataka, sir. I am in second year.
Okay.
Mahua ma'am.
MA Economics student, sir.
Mahua ma'am is there. Mahua ma'am. Not there.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah.
Sir, just a query, like, sir, as you have told, like in design, we have to create a design. Now, if we have to write a paper using conjoint analysis, say I'm working on political orientation of people, okay, like how their orientation will, the way they vote, okay. So in such a scenario, like this, creating the design again will be very difficult. Again, I have to create a design and then get those responses, isn't it, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll share one paper with you that I had published one paper. The paper was that I wanted to know that what is the priority for second-hand car.
Okay.
Okay. In what combinations the customer prefer the second-hand car. Okay. So normally I do the experiment with my students. So I gave the combinations to them. So the combination which was given to the design which was created was the black and white car. Okay. Then Maruti and other segment. Then diesel and petrol. Okay. Above 1.5, below 1.5, the design was created. And the response were taken from all the dealers, okay, or sorry, all those the servicemen which are there, okay, and it was found that that if you are having a car in the combination of white color Maruti above 1.6 liter engine and petrol, the priority of the customer is very high.
Okay.
Okay.
So please do share that paper. I'll
Sure,
see.
sure. Paul sir, are you enjoying? Paul sir, where are you from? Unmute yourself, Paul.
Sir, please unmute.
Paul sir.
I'm doing MPhil at Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai.
Tata Institute of Mumbai. There was one participant last time with me, Sangeeta or something like that, from Tata Institute of Mumbai Science. You got the reference from that?
No. I received this message, I don't know, on WhatsApp or something. It had come around.
Okay.
Yeah, on WhatsApp, on our research group, it had come.
Yeah, Tata Institute, I don't recall the name. She was Sangeeta or something. Wait a minute. She had attended last time the program. She had attended the program. Anyway, are you enjoying, Paul sir?
Yes.
So you are at Bombay?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. Sondi sir, SPO Sondi sir. Unmute yourself.
Okay sir, now I am audible.
Yeah, बताइए कैसे हैं?
बहुत very fun sir.
कहाँ से?
Sir, I am from Punjab and I am doing a PhD in lovely professional university.
हाँ.
I am working as superintendent engineer in Punjab State Power Corporation Limited.
Okay. चलो बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है. We give guidance to many PhD. मतलब हम guidance देते हैं. तो मतलब ये हमारा रोज का हो गया है कि
people like me, in this age, your efforts are exemplary, sir.
अरे भाई in this age
I am very
एज की तो बात ही नहीं करनी है भाई. आपसे सीनियर तो मैं ही हूँ. एज की तो बात ही नहीं करनी है भाई. ये तो मेकअप.
Sir, due to routine activity in public sector. And SBS is very new for me, sir. I am using first time.
अच्छा.
And it is very.
अच्छा, ठीक.
You can say, sir, it gave plain knowledge for me, sir.
अच्छा.
Immense player, sir.
ठीक है. चलिए. Anybody else left out? वो कुछ डिस्कस करना है, किसी को कुछ कहना है? सर, रवि सर, आपका फोटो सेशन हो गया?
Yes sir, day before हो गया sir.
मोहम्मद खान जी ने हमें कहा है get ready for CFA. Have a good night to all of you. Yes, we are ready for CFA to deliver.
तैयार कर रहे हैं.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
हो गया आपका फोटो सेशन?
Yes sir. Thank you so much sir. Once again sir, thank you so much, and thank you so much all the participants. Tomorrow we have the session on confirmatory factor analysis.
Thank you sir.
Yes,
Looking forward.
Thank you.
Looking forward for the session actually.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay sir. Thank you.